Okay, and now we did the front part of the auscultation of the lung, and now we're going to do from the back. And we start, and of course we ask nicely for our patient to breathe in and out, exhale and inhale. Okay, breathe. This is one. Okay, this is one. This is two. Okay, this is three. Perfect. This is four. This is five. Okay, this is six. This is seven. This is eight. Nine. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Okay, for the 15 we go 3. And for the 16 we go right here. The 17 is right below here. Right below this one, right here. This is the 18. This is the 19. And that's the 20. And by that we are done with the lung auscultation. Our patient is good, perfectly normal, and thank you so much.